Right down the middle.
Pick my head way up. I want to see it go so bad. Yeah, I can do that too. Me too. I've just done it twice. Put a little too far forward my stance. Look at that. Get up there.
Fuck that wind shooting out.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that wind just fucking kicks it up. Oh, I lost you.
Oh, there you go. We're towards those people.
Okay.
You should be okay.
Wanted to aim at that tree and let the wind
Yeah, that's
blow
what I'm thinking.
That won't.
Nice. Oh yeah.
Come on, turn it.
Yeah.
Come on, wind.
Come on, wind. There we go. Yeah.
That'll work.
Yeah. Right at the end, eh?
Yeah.
I think Rolly's playing frustrated golf. It's a good hit.
I'm pretty sure we'll all have our turn.
Yeah. I would have to agree with you there. Oh, I pushed it. Fuck, came over top of it again. Right. Ah. Why do I keep doing that?
I think his first one is in the ditch.
Yeah.
Wind. This is a big wind. That's better.
That's better, yeah. Yeah, I pushed it left again. Fuck, why do you do that, right? I think you know better by now.
Ah! Bite.
Yeah, it's biting. The wind's just not giving us any kind of distance at all.
Chip it up, bud.
Tipping a foot. Nice. That's nice, that'll work. Get up there. For the first time ever. Yeah. Get it. Oh, it had to have a look. Hot. In there, nice foot. Took the brake out and everything. Oh, boy, I even practiced not to do. You too, eh? Yeah, do the same fucking thing. Oh, I lost it. Sounded good.
Sounded good. I don't know where it went.
No, I totally. That's a hard ball to see.
Those orange balls.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I'm okay.
You came across that really harsh.
Yeah, I sure did, yeah. Oh, no way! Oh, get a hold of it. It was in front of a fucking tree.
What do I do?
I would go right through the middle.
That's what I was afraid you were gonna say.
What do you got?
7 iron.
I'd go one up.
You want 8?
6.
6.
Aim at the dude there. The last dude with getting in his cart there. Getting on his cart.
Yeah, no, that's, yeah. Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Okay, here goes.
Hell bent for leather.
Well, exactly. It's used to having balls if you don't know how to use them. There you go. Now there you go.
Look at this push.
Yeah. I knew the wind was going to do some of it.
Well, no, so did I, but...
Go through.
Go through!
Oh, I think you're through. I didn't hear anything.
I heard a little tick, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Bounce left. Oh, come on.
Are you?
Yep.
Oh, that's not too bad.
It knocked me down.
Like midsummer, you won't be finding that anymore.
No.
There's nothing but the rain. No push-ups on the ground. It's that
Nice.
Go. Go,
Go, go, go, go, go, go. Oh, very nice.
What do you mean you turn, dumb ball?
Isn't anyone trying to find me? Won't somebody come?
Yeah.
Kill it!
Slap it in.
Oh yeah, turn. Oh, that was nice from up there, man.
Kiss the edge.
Yeah, you could have got way carried away there. That was
Ay,
really
ay,
nice.
ay. Damn.
Well, I was gonna make sure it fucking got there. Ah, fuck! Oh,
Right, Brian?
I really can't afford
Two
that.
strokes.
2 strokes.
Oh, I can't afford that. Not in this round.
None of us can.
It's been doing so good. I'll laugh the same as we did when Brian disqualified himself by fixing his club.
Yeah.
I'm in there. Nice shot. Get up. Oh, yeah.
That was
That's
an
worth
8.
doing.
That was an 8.
Yeah, that's what I got. I think that was a wise decision. Nice shot.
To the right.
Ah, bad balance. I'm not getting it. A little more. Maybe I should have went up a club, but. And then you get to see. Are you gonna hit another? Oh, I know. I fucking love hate it too. Every chance I get, I love hate this game.